a Grizzly Marty video if I didn't do a cold start. So let's go ahead and get this cold start. $300 gang, like, comment, and subscribe. Grizzly gang. There we go. All right, what's good, Grizzly gang? It's your boy Grizzly Marty back on another daggone video. You see, it is hot and humid. It just rained, so I couldn't even do the video earlier like I wanted to do. So I'm out here. The sky's clear right now. So, and it's humid. So you see me start sweating because it's extremely humid out this time. But I'm gonna be doing something for you guys, for a lot of the new subscribers. I got a bunch of new subscribers, which is cool. I love it, man. Keep them coming, man. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel. Come on, these bangers, everything. I've got daggone day for you guys. You feel me? All right, so what I usually be doing on majority of my videos, I do a co-star. I'm gonna do a co-star for y'all, because I haven't turned this thing on since I went to work this morning. But here we go. I'm gonna kind of get like behind it like that, you know, so you can see him and say boom, boom, boom. All right, so you see me. Boom, boom. You're gonna get a full effect. So if y'all don't know, man, my name is Grizzly Marty, and I got a Chrysler 300S, a V8. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be breaking down what I have to my car. So you probably won't be seeing me. You're probably just gonna be seeing me for the beginning of this video. But other than that, y'all just gonna be seeing me later on in the video. So I'm pretty much gonna be breaking down all the things, all the little specs I did to my 300, from the first step to the last step. Okay, so y'all stay tuned, stick with me, man. Make this a little quick video for you guys, so y'all stay tuned real quick. I want to tell y'all something, but I can't right now, so stay tuned to the next video, so I'll be able to tell y'all full scale. So I'm gonna have this video out on Tuesday, since Monday is a holiday. So yeah, all right, y'all, so let's go right now. All right, so this is my 2019 Chrysler 300. All right, y'all, so I bought this car black originally. It was just a black car. If y'all look down at my past videos, I got this car in North Carolina. Had a crazy deal on it, man. So let me tell you about the first mod that I did. The first mod I did was I had the stickers made. Grizzly Marty. Follow me on my YouTube, Grizzly Marty, and my IG, Grizzly Marty _Marty. All right, and then the next thing I got was this, which I think I like it, but look at, watch this. But it never comes off. It never comes off. Like, I can pull it up, but it never comes off. As you know, it just rained, so you know. The next thing I got was, so I remember getting that. Oh yeah, I got this stuff from my inside. So on the inside of my car is a little dirty. Gotta do some cleaning. Oh, don't hit me now. So on the inside, I remember I got this sticker. It just, let me see if it clears up. It's just an RT. Pretty much, I have a V8, so I can put RT on it. It's an RT engine. I got these, which this one comes off a lot. I pretty much don't even touch this because I turn everything up back here. Audio, this and that. And then I remember I getting this. This one started chipping a little bit, but I got this Mopar thing. I'm gonna take this off because I'm gonna repaint it. The next thing I remember I got was these covers. Which I really love from is the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber was real cool. All right. So I'm gonna tell you how the budget that I did it in too. I think the next thing was my CCI caliper covers. I was supposed to get some other ones. I'm still waiting to see if I'm gonna get them. You see how they look. It's a real cool effect. It gives you that more scat pack type effect and everything like that. Let me show you on the other side. That one fell off, still haven't got it. Yeah, man, I'm a busy guy. I got so much stuff going on, and it's 4 of them, but they look great when you got all 4 of them on. And he does them differently now. Now he uses a metal type of zip tie that doesn't fall off. I feel like these fell off a lot because there's a magnet that was connecting it to it, nothing to really like screwed on there. So whenever I drive in DC, when I did drive in DC, I hit a big pothole because it's really dark, and yeah, that one popped off, unfortunately. But I do love them. I love the design, and they're very sturdy because I went to Ohio back and forth a bunch of times, flying on the road, and windstorms, snowstorms and stuff, and they did excellent. I remember I got these little mud flaps. I had to cut them a little bit to keep it from splashing back here because I kept getting a little splash thing. I hated that. And I hate it right here. And it stops the rock chips also. So this is just for, since this one was made for the charger, but it still has the things that so you have to modify a little bit. I could have cut this off, but I just left it like that. So sometimes when I'm driving, I hear this noise, but it's all fine. Next thing I remember I got my decal. I got my decal done, Grizzly Marty. Got that from Mopar Legacy. Really cool car group. What else I did? I did have these covers that were on right here on my side roof mirrors. It was really good, but it started fading, so I took them off, and I was gonna get them hydro dip. I'm still gonna get them hydro dip. I'm just waiting to do that. Did I do anything back here? Nothing back here. See, my son got that. I had these in the back. See, when you get kids, that's what the back seat gonna look like. But it's all cool. So I got that. Oh yeah, let me tell you about my exhaust. So my exhaust, a lot of people want to know about the exhaust. So let me flip this around so you can see. Oh, you can see me right here in my car. That's how you know my car is extremely clean, is extremely waxed, because you can see my reflection in the car, and you see it very clearly. That's crazy. I'm talking to you through the reflection of my car. That's crazy, man. If your car is clean, this is gonna be a meme right here. If your car is this clean, let me know. Comment down below. Send me a picture to my DM, and I'm gonna repost it. If your car is this clean, I don't care if you have a Chrysler 300, whatever type of car. If you keep your car this clean, comment down below. It don't have to be black, but you know black does show the reflection and stuff like that. But I'm gonna tell you the specific things that I did to my exhaust. So, oh yeah, sorry, I got this hydro dipped. Go to the hydro dip video so you can see it, and you see all his description. It's East Coast hydro dip. All right, man, check him out. I still want to work with him. He's excellent, real cool, down to earth guy. Gets whatever you need, man. He can hydro dip any type of design. All right, so back to the exhaust. So my exhaust is a straight pipe exhaust. I still have my catalytic converters. All right, I still have my catalytic converters, so it's not gonna be really loud, but it is loud, y'all, and it doesn't give me too much drone. A lot of people give me some cars, like that car, give me a lot of drone, so I gotta figure it out, because I don't like all of that too much drone. I like to have a loud car, but not that much. But it's straight pipe. First thing I did was I cut out the muffler. The muffler gave it like a little rumble. Okay, so I was like, oh, I like it, but I want it louder. So what the next step I did, I cut off the resonators. So I cut off the resonators, and it was loud. So yeah, if you get your exhaust and your resonators, and you buy this rear valence, and you get somebody to take this rear valence off and connect the tips, because also I bought these tips. These are 4.5-inch tips. It goes really flush with it. I do plan on getting a 5-inch, I see, but I do love this design. It's really slick, really easy, as you see. I do want to cover this up too, these reflectors, but I kind of like it. Still keep it a little bit original. So if you want to get your exhaust like mine, cut out your resonators, cut out your exhaust, all right, and get a straight pipe all the way back from your catalytic converters. All right, so one of my favorite things that I did, and my boy Jason did, he made my car look like the Pacer. I had the idea, and I saw the Pacer that was in Saudi Arabia, and one of the countries that USA doesn't get. I saw that he had it. Not he had it, but I saw that That's how they was doing the 300s over there. So I was like, bet I can do that over here and bring that design over here. So you see, as I kept it original, this is 3.5. It's a V8. People be thinking I have a V8, man. You can, ain't the fastest 300, but it get up there. And my plan is to make it faster with the Pro Charger, get up to 500, 600 horsepower. All right, I'm putting it down there, stamp. All right, so as you see, you probably can't see it. You can see it from the clean to the matte to back to clean, matte to the orange, Hemi orange strip. Love the theme. So my strip goes all the way down, as you see. That was the next thing that I did. I have that strip goes all the way down, boom. So then I was like, okay, that's cool, but I saw that there was design, right? So I brought this to his mind. So as you see, it says Hemi right here. My boy Jason is the beast. You see it? And you see how it's flush right on the line? Oh, let me back this up so you can see. It's flush right on the line. Goes all the way down, matte, with the orange. And look how he did this. Swoop. Swooped it down with the 345. Oh my God, my boy Jason is the beast. And also I have the carbon fiber grill, really clean. Also done by EASTCOASTHYDROGRAPHIC. All right, I have the lip. I plan on getting a better lip. Got the HID lights. I got the lowering springs. I did not change my shocks. Everybody's like, did you change your shocks? No, I had it 2019. My car was brand new. Why would I change my shocks? But next time I will get the whole full coilover so I can adjust them and stuff like that. Whenever it gets, you know, cold, I can raise my car up to a good riding height for the snow so I can really get through the snow better. Which was no problem because it just plowed through the snow, but it sucks because I have rear-wheel drive, so, you know, snow, you ain't really going nowhere in the rear-wheel drive. But it did excellent. I did have these tires. They gave me a great discount. What's the name? Oh, yeah, I heard my knees crack. That's bad. Listen, I ain't stretched. I forgot the name of the tire. If y'all go to my other video, and then you'll see what I did, where I got them from. Also, I changed these. These got rusted. I don't know where I can get them without them rusting like that. I don't know, man. It sucks that I get rusty. It kind of matches too because it's kind of orange, so it looks good. But as you see, it get ugly and rusty, and my tires are dirty. Haven't washed her yet because it keeps raining. So, all right, that's enough for the outside. I didn't really do too much outside. Kept it really slick, but it's about to get crazy soon. Let me pop it up for y'all. One of my favorite mods that I did. Favorite mod. Come on. Let me see. Where you at? Oh no, can't find it. You know, find it. Oh. Trying to lift it up with my left hand. All right, so see, I got the HID lights, super bright. I love them. I have this intake, cold air intake that I got, that I love. It is beautiful. Gives me the extra horsepower that I need. I think I need to add a little bit more coolant, which is cool. That typically happens when you're running your AC, and when it's extremely hot, you're gonna burn a little coolant. Not burn it, but it just evaporates, whatever. Oil catch can. That's pretty much all I did. As you see, I have a V8. It's a little dirty under there. I'll probably wash it one day when I go to one of these car shows. But that thing is dusty, man. Let me put it back on correctly. I try to keep my car as clean as possible. I don't really go into here. Only when I know I'm gonna pop my hood, I make sure it's clean. Like, I didn't make sure it's clean out because it rained. But other than that, yeah. See, 5.7 V8. All right. Intake go like that. Engine's face this way. All right. Yeah, I know. All right. And that's pretty much that. Oh yeah, I also got the, what is that? The front, what is that? Stone Go lip. That's pretty cool. And that's pretty much all I did to my 300. And you don't want to know, let me turn this around so y'all can see my face. So that was just pretty much a quick video, but pretty much everything came up to about, I say close up to 2,000 that I spent on my car, from the lowering springs, from the exhaust, from paying those guys, to getting everything hydro dipped, to the new front grill, because it doesn't come with this grill. You have the Chrysler sign in the front. Getting the work done with the lowering springs, putting that on, with Jason. So maybe a little bit, maybe about like 2,500. I say like that. So if you want to get the same specs done, you probably can get it for cheaper. I don't know. I try to find the best things. I try not to spend too much money on my build, but I definitely try to entertain you guys and the build that I got and all that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got, man. So if you want to get them pretty much the same mods, hit the people up that I hit up. All right, go look at my past videos so you can see, because I got a lot of videos, man. It's crazy. I became serious with YouTube 2 years ago, and I'm doing, hold on, something on my face. Became serious with, something's on my face, bro. Breaking out a little bit. See, that's why I hate about beards and stuff. It get breaking out when it's starting coming down. I'm ready to shave it. But if you want to build your car like this or somewhere similar to it, you know that's gonna be around that price or maybe cheaper. All right, to get like the different mods and maybe the wrap would have been even more, because the wrap's around like 3,000, something like that. So when I do get the wrap, just know I spent a hefty bag because I want it to look good, you know, man. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these fingers every single daggone day for you guys. Man, she look good, don't she? You see the front is so aggressive, and I plan on getting that. I can't tell you the hood I want to get because I don't want nobody copying me on the East Coast. I see it on the West Coast, but on the East Coast, ain't nobody messing with me right now. You know, I see them with the hoods and stuff. It look cool, but it's not the one I'm about to get to, okay? All right. I see you later. Deuces, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming to these bangers every single daggone day. I see y'all on the next day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.